You want a better relationship. You can do that. It isn't always about finding a new partner. Yes, sometimes we have to find a new partner, but a lot of times we just have to build skills, understanding, capacities. We go to the gym, we build muscles, we know we can change our physical body. We learn instruments, we learn to play the piano or whatever, but we can use that same tenacity, persistence, desire to learn in our relationships. And for some reason, people don't always realize that. There is this idea that the relationship should just work. They don't just work. We come in with all kinds of baggage, lack of capacities, needs that have never been fulfilled, and all of that gets dumped into the relationship. So just know, just like going to the gym or learning to play an instrument, you can gain the capacity to create a better relationship in your life.